morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on? Teach Me the Fish Effects community. How you guys feeling this morning? NFP was crazy. Drop down. NFP was crazy. Switch over so you guys can see. Good morning, Miss Keandra. Nice to see you with me. Alright. So let's take a look at the trade that I've been holding since August 4th. Today's August 6th for the past 2 days. Just to let you guys know, I did end up taking some off of the trade. You guys can see this is the trade right here, highlighted in blue. It's a $1 lot size trade, guys, and I've been holding it since 151.668. So that means we're currently up about 138 pips. At most, we've been up about 146 pips. And I'm trading it based off of the strategy that I trade, which is institutional supply and demand. Institutional supply and demand, not just regular supply and demand, but institutional supply and demand, which is technically still supply and demand. So let me see. Okay, yeah, I got 720 on it. Okay, just want to make sure you guys can see this in good quality. So after taking a look at this, we could potentially, if we don't get another corrective move going down, let's go to the monthly. Let's slide this a little bit. Okay, start the goes, huh? Okay. Technically on the monthly, we are in a downtrend overall. Let's see if we see any signs. See if we see any signs of this thing continuing down for GJ. Alright, so if GJ continues down, then that means that the yen, did I say yen? Did I just put a D on the end of yen? So that means the yen is increasing in value if it continues to go down. So let me tell you guys what I have going on here. So based on based on this move here, on the daily, I have a Fibonacci drawn here. We've got a rejection just before our 50% entry, which I'm sure if I put the 32.8, it may be somewhere around there. So instead of me aiming for this supply area here, based on this fib, I'm aiming for here, 607. I put some B there. That would mean GJ will break out of this downtrend. Is it gonna happen? I don't know, but when you aim for the moon, you're bound to hit a star. So I am in a risk-free trade. I've taken some profit off of this. I'm fine with it. Growing my account slowly, very conservative with this trade. Yes, I could have put more positions on this trade. However, I didn't. You guys seen me do that before in the past, but I just kind of want to hold the trade, see how far it can go. So let's take a look at NFP real quick. Let's take a look at the reports that have come out. Okay, there it is. All right. You see, non-farm payroll. The previous was 938,000. All right. The consensus was 870. It actually went up to 943. All right, 943,000. Okay. So what that meant was that the U.S. dollar went up in value because individuals who had interest in the U.S. dollar, they feel as if that is a good sign, and that they wanted to put their money behind the dollar, so which increases the value of the dollar. All right. Let's see. Let's take a look at the DXY. I'll show it to you guys on TradingView. All right. So what do we have here? This is old, guys. You guys remember me when I called this downtrend the week before last, or was it last week? No, I did gold last week. Yeah, the week before last. I called the DXY coming down into this zone, but now it's reacting. It's reacting to this demand zone here. Call it coincidence if you want, but the channel is buffering. Hey, Miss Ganja, yeah, I have the stream going on my phone. It just buffered for me. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on, but I do apologize. But yeah, I'm so sorry about that. I have to look into it. I have to look into it after I get off of the stream. But I do apologize for the inconvenience. So right now, the dollar is increasing, but it had been increasing coming out of this demand area. All right. So that is what we expect when we trade supply and demand. Our expectation is that when price comes into a demand area, we expect for price to eventually shoot up. So let's take a look at the data. It's kind of funny if you think about it, how the fundamentals are lining up with technical analysis. Now, because really, if you really think about it, technical analysis is supposed to be something that's not founded. It's supposed to be something that's not concrete, right? It's supposed to be this abstract way of trading, and fundamentals. I don't know what. I don't know where I'm getting my my speech from today, but fundamentals is supposedly the end all be all. I don't trade fundamentals, guys. I don't trade news or anything like that. I strictly trade technical analysis, technical supply and demand, market structure. All right. Previously had this zone set up, okay, this demand zone, expecting for price to bounce up out of it. All right. So, and again, it's just funny, all right? It's a coincidence that the week before last, I called the selling of the US dollar, all right, down into this demand area. Now it's pushing up out of the demand area because we look for buys and demand. But I don't know. Guys. I don't know. I'm just a small little YouTuber who trades Forex. I don't know. But market structure, market cycle, market manipulation. My 3 M's that I've been preaching since I don't know how long now. Will this hold? I don't think so. I mean, unfortunately, for a long time, our US dollar has been trashed. Kind of similar to the pound, just been losing in value. Currently, overall, if you take a look at an overall basis, it's in a downtrend, or overall, because technically it won't be in an uptrend. Not even when we break this trend line. I'm a horizontal trader. Once we break this price point of 121.02, we can consider that the dollar has truly gained some strength. But really, to be honest with you, if I'm going to be technical, 129.67 is what we would need for it to break.